Hey guys, this week on Bald Guy Side, we're going to be taking a look at something called ClassroomScreen to organize and manage everything going on in your classroom, whether it's one large group, several small groups, and everything in between. It's an awesome tool, and the video is going to start right now. Okay guys, so here we go with ClassroomScreen. Give me 60 seconds on the clock. Let's go. So ClassroomScreen is basically everything you need in one place to manage a lesson that you have students right there in front of you for. One, you have all these tools on the bottom of the first screen. You can run a poll on the second screen, or you can generate groups. Those are the three basic things you can do. So let's go ahead and hop into the tools. Change the background. You can generate random names to call on kids from a class list. You can roll dice. You can set a sound meter. So if kids are working in groups or a whole class discussion that the sound level doesn't go too high, you can put in text boxes and drawings, QR codes. If you want students to work together, if you want them to work alone, there are all sorts of timers and stopwatch. Beside screens, there is a poll maker, and that poll maker allows you to have kids walk past your interactive whiteboard and tabulate their results. And then a group maker. A group maker allows you to just quickly put in your roster, sort it according to the number of groups or how many students you want, and it just creates them right there for you. Okay, so that's my 60 seconds on ClassroomScreen. There's a lot more here, and if you're looking for a full tutorial review, check out this video on the screen or any of the other 60-second EdTech tips that I've done. Those will be right up there as well. And I hope this thing really helps you kick some class this fall in your classroom. So, Brian from Bald Guy Side, we'll see you later.